Hello students, now you will study today frequency distribution table, median and mode you have finished. Today you will see what is the cumulative frequency curve. By the cumulative frequency curve you can get the median. Cumulative frequency curve is two types. It is also called the frequency distribution cumulative frequency curve ROZ. There is a two type of OG. One is called less than. What is called less than type OG? Less than type OG. And another is called more than type. More than type, or you can say that more than type OG. You can say more than OG or more than type OG. There is a two type of the OG you get, or you can say that cumulative frequency curve. By this you can get the median. It is the graphical representation of the, with example we'll see what is the cumulative frequency distribution. Suppose a class interval is given. Class interval is given and it is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. This is the frequency is given. Less than type or more than type, two type you know. Frequency is given 6, 12, 8, 7, 17, 13, 4. Total you will get, it is the frequency distribution. You want to find out the median by this. How will you do? First we'll make a table of less than type. If it is a class interval, then suppose it is marks given. So marks you will make in the less than type. CF table you will make first. There is a two type of marks. FI is given. So you will get the CF. What is the CF? Less than type first we will see. Less than upper limit. What is the upper limit? 10. Less than 20. Less than 30. Less than 40. Less than 50. Less than 60. It is the last one. And what is the CF? 6. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 10, 8. 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 17. 43. 26. 36. 43. 43 plus 3, 6. 56. 13, 56 plus 4, 60. It is the total you are getting. Sigma Fi is 60. It is the given here total. So first you find out the table less than type. If there is a less than type and you can use the more than type also the table. What is the more than type table? You can get it and draw. First we'll draw the less than type. Less than upper limits is used. First we'll draw the less than type. Then you will get this. Draw a positive quadrant. If it is not started from 0, then we know that the kink sign will be used. X, Y. Here Y dash, here X dash, here 0. Then equal gap 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You will take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. What is the last till that you will take? It is upper limit. What will you write here? Upper limits. Then you will get here. It is also a multiple of 10 till 60 you can get. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It is the CF, cumulative frequency. It is your CF. That you write, complete this. And scale is there. On x-axis, what is the scale given? Scale on x-axis, 1 unit is equal to 10. And y-axis also you are taking 1 unit is equal to 10. 10 marks here and 10 students. number of students. So like this you are getting. Start the drawing of coordinate geometry. First is 10 comma 6. What will you get here? 10 comma 6. Here what will you get? 20 comma 18. Like a coordinate geometry, it is a 30 comma 26. X comma y. It is a 40 comma 43. So you will take here 10 comma 6. 6 means 4, 5, 6 you are getting. Put a dot in the graph and you put like this. It is a 10 comma 6. 20 comma 18. 18 is near to this, in front of the 20, in here this line and this line you see, and put a dot. 30 comma 26. 30 comma 26 is the middle of this. You will get here in front of this, you will get the 30 comma 26. 40 comma 43. 43 is here and you will take a line till here. From here you will take 40 comma 43, and then 50 comma 56. 56 is near the 60. You will take here, and from here you will graph. You can get directly 50 comma 56, and 60 comma 60 last is already given 60 in front of this. So you are getting by hand. No scale will be used. By hand, free hand you will join it, and then you will get like this. It is a by free hand you will join, not by scale. Don't use the scale here. And it is called less than type. Less than ogive. What is called? Less than ogive. We will make the more than ogive also here. Less than ogive is this. When you want to find the median by this. What is the median? Median you will get by n by 2. What is the median? You will calculate. First you calculate n by 2. Means sigma fi by 2. 60 by 2. What will you get? 30. In front of the 30, you will take the, in front of the 30, you will take a line from here and you will come till the ogive. Here you are coming, and from here you come down. It is your median. What is this? It is your median. This value will be approximately between 30 and 40 you are getting. It is maybe 34 or 35. Suppose I am taking 34. R34, it is your median by the graph. When you calculate it, you will get near this. Without cumulative frequency, without the formula L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H, you can get the median directly by less than ogive. What is N by 2? Sigma Fi by 2. In the CF column, you will go and come down. Keep in mind. From the y-axis, you come to the x-axis where you are getting this straight line falling. This value is your median. More than graph is what? More than type. One graph will make the more than or equal to. Here marks and here CF. What is the marks given? More than or equal to lower limit. More than or equal to 0. More than or equal to 0. 10, 20. More than or equal to 10. Here you are getting 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Last one is the 50. More than or equal to, more than or equal to, more than B. I have already told you. What will you write? The first CF sigma Fi 60. From 60 you subtract 6. What will you get? 54. 54 you subtract 12. 42. 42. 42 you will subtract 8. 34. 34 you subtract 17. 17. 17 you subtract 13. What are you getting? 4. Last sigma Fi is the Fi. So it is your more than. So you again plot the graph here. Again make a graph here. X, X dash, Y, Y dash. What will you take here? Y, Y dash. Again we will put here the values. Scale is same. What scale you have used here? Here I am writing 10, here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here again you write the cumulative. It is a lower limit. What will you write here? Lower limit. lower limit will C, and here CF will take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and you will take the 60 also. 60, it is the y dash, it is your CF. It is your CF. What is the first coordinate? Like 10, 6, here 0, 60. 0, comma 60, 10, comma 54. 0, comma 60 means this is the first one. Then 10, comma 54. 10, comma 54 will be here. And then 20, comma 42. 20, comma 42 in front of the 20 will see 20, comma 42. 30, comma 34. 30, comma 34. From here will go, and then 30, comma 34. 40, comma 17. 40, comma 17, and 50, comma 4. Very near. So you are getting these points. Free hand will join like this. All the centers will join, it will go like this. It is more than oblique. What is called more than OZ. More than OZ you are getting, and by this also you can get the median. What is the n by 2? N by 2, 60 by 2 is the 30. CF you see 30, it is the CF. CF 30. In front of the 30 you will go, again draw the line, this, and from here you come down. You are getting, it is your median. What is this? It is your median, and you are getting median is equal to approximately 34. Here also 34, here also 34. By less than OZ and more than, by the same table you are getting. Same table you are getting less than type and the more than type. By both you are getting the median directly. You can verify this result by using the formula. Both together you can draw. When you want to draw both together, then what will you do? Same table, you draw the more than and less than both together. Same example you see, and I am drawing both together. Then what will you write? It is your line x, x dash, and it is 0, y dash, y. Here scale is same, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Full you write, but here only you write limits, no lower, no upper. Both the limits are here, lower and upper limits. Here you will also take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here you will write the CF. It is your CF, cumulative frequency. Limits means 0, 10, 20, all are here to get. Limits upper and lower both. First you draw 10, 6, 1 you start and complete. 10, 6, 20, 18, 20, 18, and then 30, 26, 30, 26, and then 40, 43, 40, 43, 40, 43, and 50, 56. This is a 50, 50 is 56, and 60, 60. You are getting this. And you draw it. It is a less than, you write down, less than OZ. Now same graph, you draw the more than also. 0, 60, 10, 54, 10, 54. This you are getting. And 20, 42, 20, 42. Here you are getting. Then 30, 34, 20, then 30, 34. 34 you are getting here. And then 40, 40, 17 you are getting. It is a 40, 40 you are getting this here. In the front of this 17. 40 you are getting 17. And then 50 you are getting 4. Then you again join by free hand. It is a more than OGID. Both together. What is the median in this case? Another you are taking n by 2. What is the median in this case? Median will be intersecting point of this. No need of showing CF, no need of sigma Fi. What is the intersecting point of this? That you drop the perpendicular here. You are seeing the median is again the same. It is your median. Median is again same or not? Same what you are getting here, what you are getting here, you are getting here also between 30 and 4. So here you are getting the median is approximately 34 in all the cases. In the graph you will get exactly. In the graph paper you draw. Same example, two type I have drawn here separately, less than, then more than, then both. It is your graphical representation of the cumulative frequency distribution for finding the median. N by 2 used here, but here no n by 2. Directly both you are drawing in the same graph paper and getting intersecting point directly come down, it is your median. That's all for today, and we will tell you the exercise and example is already given in the next lecture. Thanks.